Tune into English. Mastering the phrase, tune the saxophone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's music to our ears: tune the saxophone. Whether you're a language enthusiast, a music aficionado, or someone curious about English idioms and expressions, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this phrase and see how it can enrich your English vocabulary. Stay tuned. First things first, let's break down the literal interpretation of tune the saxophone. To tune means to adjust the pitch of a musical instrument, making sure it plays the correct notes according to a musical standard or key. And, of course, a saxophone is a woodwind instrument known for its rich, expressive sounds, popular in jazz, classical, and contemporary music. Combining the two, tuning the saxophone is the act of adjusting it so it plays beautifully and in harmony with other instruments. Moving beyond the literal, tune the saxophone doesn't have a widely recognized figurative meaning in the English language as a common idiom or phrase. However, let's get creative and think about how it could be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it could symbolize the idea of preparing or getting ready for an important event, ensuring everything is in perfect harmony before the show begins. It's about fine-tuning details, whether in work, personal projects, or life itself, to achieve the best possible outcome. While tune the saxophone might not be a phrase you hear every day, understanding its potential uses can add a unique flair to your English. For instance, you could use it in a conversation to express the need for preparation and attention to detail. Before we launch the project, let's make sure to tune the saxophone and review all our plans. Or in a more personal context, I'm tuning the saxophone for my big interview tomorrow. Wish me luck. This approach to language learning helps you think creatively and apply English in a variety of contexts. It's also interesting to note how instruments and musical references, like tune the saxophone, can carry different connotations in various cultures. In some contexts, it might be immediately understood as a call to fine-tune or prepare, while in others, it might be taken quite literally. This highlights the importance of understanding the cultural and situational context when using or interpreting phrases in English. And there we have it, folks. A deep dive into the phrase, tune the saxophone, exploring its literal meaning, potential figurative use, and how it can enrich your English speaking and understanding. We hope this video strikes a chord with you and helps fine-tune your English learning journey. Remember, language learning is like playing an instrument. It gets better with practice and a bit of creative flair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language content. See you in the next video.